Alright, Tubes. Got something a little different tonight. I know you've heard Road King complain about his shoulder for the last 4 months or so. Well, we finally got it looked at. We got some x-rays and an MRI, and I got Dr. Mike with us here. Dr. Bill and Dr. Dirtbike. So we're going to look at these MRIs and see what we can see. From what we know, we got quite a bit of glare here, but this is the top of my shoulder.
A broken tie rod.
Yeah. And from what we understand, weight isn't good. Weight is either fluid or separation. See if you can turn that, Dr. Bill.
Next page?
Yeah.
All right.
It gets better. You see, this one don't look too bad. We don't see too much stuff here. Turn the page, Dr. Bill. Still, I think we're looking at it from the top. That looks like the top of my humerus. But that isn't very humorous because it hurts. Now here, this looks bad. What do you think, Doc?
Oh, that's not good.
That's not good, Doc. Look, that's bright white there and bright white there, and it just keeps getting worse and worse. And then you even got some down here. Yeah, if there are any doctors out there, any YouTube doctors, let me know if you see anything interesting. But like I say, this here is I think coming in from the side, and that there is supposed to be darker. Oh, that white's no good, Doc. Next. Oy, oy, oy. Yeah, look at that. Not good. Got good muscle and bone structure though, but that white's not looking good. Turn the page, Doc. All right. This here you can't see too much. I don't know which way. There's a lot of meat. A lot of meat going on here, but turn the page, Doc. See if we see anything else. That looks like it's coming from behind. That looks like the back of my shoulder. Alright, turn it again. Okay. Is this the one? Yeah, yeah. Dr. Bill noticed something earlier. A big lump here on my, I don't know what, could that be my clavicle? I don't know.
I don't think so.
I don't know, but whatever it is, it's protruding. And it hurts. Look at that. That don't look good, buddy. Look at that. Ay, ay, ay. I don't think that's what my problem is, though. Yeah, I think a diagnosis is a torn rotator cuff. And this here, you can't see too much from this angle. Next. Alright, this one here shows a little bit. A little progression. And then you start to see a little more weight in here. Look up there. A little separation there from the bone. Okay. Thank you, doctor. Here's more up here. Not good. It's not looking good. I mean, I've been putting up with it for 4 months. I'm waiting for it to heal, and it's just not healing. Let's see here. This here don't show too much. Looks like a hunk of ribeye or something. Oh, look at that. Anybody know what that is? Let me know where that big mass is on my shoulder blade there. Alright, next. Yeah. And even here we don't see too much. But it's not looking good. Is that the last page, buddy?
Yep.
Yeah. It's not looking good, so I'm doing what I can, and if I do have to get surgery and everything, I don't know how well I'm going to be able to function. I'm going to need the help of these guys even more than ever. So if you see some crappy videos, it's only because we got them in stock, and we'll keep doing stuff and trying to do it. I can film these guys like Mike there and Daddy Dirtbike and Little Dirtbike, but we don't know. We'll keep you up to date, you know. And if I got to turn these into the real doctor. Let me turn these over. I only got one arm. Can you turn them over, buddy? I only got one arm here. Yeah. I'm going to have to turn these into the doctor and let him look at them, and I'll see what he thinks. And if he concurs with me, then we'll have some surgery. But until then, we don't know what you're going to be seeing. So, enough of this, right?
Enough of this. Enough of this.
See you, Tubes.
All right. See you guys later.